Welcome to John Carroll's first ever virtual open house. While we can't welcome you in person today, that doesn't mean we can't share all the incredible things that happen every day at John Carroll, both on campus and through distance learning. If you're watching this on November 7th, between 10 a.m. and 1 p.m., you can attend live presentations on financial aid, academic departments, special programs, and more. You can also drop into any department's virtual classroom for a real-time, online chat with a department representative, in addition to exploring other content. But even if you are visiting after the live event, there is still plenty for you to see and do. Each department and program on this portal is chock full of videos, photos, and downloadable brochures that will give you a glimpse of the curriculum, culture, and community students experience every day at John Carroll. For instance, visit our STEAM department online to hear a presentation about STEAM, as well as our new Computing Academy. Watch a short video, download a brochure, and see photos of our brand new Innovation Center, which houses these programs. Pop by the online math department to hear about the variety of math classes we have available, or stop by World Languages to discuss how we determine the best placement for each new student. If arts is more your scene, head over to the online Fine Arts department to learn more about all of our top-notch arts offerings. Watch videos of some of our unforgettable performances, check out a virtual arts gallery, and peruse the Patriot Student newspaper. Don't miss the pictures of the amazing spaces where students take these classes, including our art studios, architecture and CAD room, sports broadcasting studio, and more. If you're interested in a specific program, like our Carroll Scholar program, St. Joseph program, or College Preparatory Dance program, you can head to those areas to hear presentations, get your specific questions answered, and see more videos and photos. Speaking of photos, be sure to check out our general photo gallery on this page to see some of our students' favorite areas outside of the classroom, from the newly renovated courtyard and learning commons to our chapel and college center. View our many athletic fields as well as our upper gym, which received a gorgeous new floor this past summer. Finally, be sure to stop by the virtual admissions office to introduce yourself to me, Mr. Ed Maynard, or another member of our admissions team. There, you can also tune into presentations on the admissions process and on financial aid. While today's focus is on academics, be sure to check our website for upcoming events designed to showcase athletics and student life. At these events, you can virtually meet John Carroll coaches and learn more about what it means to be a Patriot, from clubs and campus ministry to classes and athletics from students themselves. We hope you enjoy your virtual visit today and that we have the opportunity to meet you in person very soon.